Everything you wanted to know about pi in 1 minute by Dr. Rajesh Khanna, that is me. And I am the one who coined the term pi, which stands for presbyopic implant in eye. It works by allowing you to see at all distances. LASIK cannot achieve that. There are many different kinds of presbyopic implants in 5 basic categories. And a good surgeon will listen to you, your requirements, and what you want out of the procedure, and ensure he chooses the best category of them all. And in those different categories, the one he feels or she feels will give you the best outcome. Now, eyes only gather information from the universe and put them on the back of the eye as a single clear image, and brain interprets the vision. So that means neuroadaptation or learning to see after the surgery helps us to improve our vision for the rest of the life.